Hello everyone. I am in Causeway Bay. In Patterson Street. So, ayan yung IKEA. Yan yung H&M. Ito po yung Causeway Bay. Daming tao. Yan yung papunta sa harbor. Ay, ano ba yan? So, I need to be here in the corner. So, ayan yung IKEA. IKEA Decathlon. Down there. Pangit pang weather ngayon. So, those are all apartment. And then, at the bottom, mga shopping mall. So, let's go. Ito yung Sogo. The famous shopping mall in Causeway Bay, Sogo. There's a lot of sale. So, Fashion Walk. Kung gusto niyo pumunta doon sa ay, ito pala yung Charlie's Cake and Cake. Sa IKEA, punta lang kayo sa exit E. Ang alam ko, exit E, F I think. Explore natin ng Causeway Bay, guys. Ayan yung Sogo. F. Oh, exit E nga. Mali. Dito ako, dito. So, this is, I am here in Yewo Street. This is Hong Kong, guys. Hong Kong, Causeway Bay. The daily lifestyle in Hong Kong. 2 stories, bus, and the famous tram, that one. There you go. Ganda pagmasdan, no? Ito guys, yung Causeway Bay. Ito po yung, this is the Sogo, the very famous shopping mall in Causeway Bay. There's a lot of sale and all the you know, the very expensive bags that you want. Marc Jacobs, what is that? YSL, Chanel. They have here everything. Chanel, Dior. They have it here. Sogo. And then yan, kita ko yung sa taas ng building, no? Wala mo ito. So this is Causeway Bay. Sogo. There was a time. So ayan yung Times Square. Times Square down there behind this building. There was a time But together as one. So ayan guys, so yeah. Yan guys, babay na muna at ako'y tatawid. Mahirap na baka ako ay matagilo. Papalapot ako. So kumuha ako ng brochure ng Sogo. Thank you guys for watching. Ayan YSL. Ganda. Kitang-kita. Ang ganda ng pagkakuha. So, I am walking towards Wan Chai. Does she want me? The story. So, yun lang guys. Bye-bye muna. Coach Lovely po. Gandang araw. Don't forget to like and follow. Bye.